Playwright comes with an excellent VS Code extension maintained by Microsoft itself, and it's actually so well put together that it might just be the reason you choose to use Playwright for all your testing needs, including even unit testing. Within Visual Studio Code, head on over to the extension panel, which you can find in the sidebar, and then for the extensions, search Playwright. You will get a number of options, but select the one that is provided by Microsoft. You can see the Microsoft icon with the verified tick mark next to it, and then install this extension. And that's all that you need in order to start using this extension, and I do want to point out that this extension comes with a nice README as well. The Playwright extension automatically picks up our Playwright config, and based on that has some nice integrations in the VS Code side panel as well as in our test files. So if we have a demo Playwright project open and we look at the test files, you can see that on example.spec.ts, we get these nice play icons next to every single test that is present within our spec. To run an individual test, all that we need to do is to click the play icon and it starts executing that test using Playwright. Once the test completes, note that it points out the total time it took for that particular test to run, as well as the time for the individual steps present within the test. We only have 2 steps, which is page.goto and expect page to have title. Additionally, the play icon next to the test turns into a tick mark to point out the fact that the last run of this test passed successfully. Another neat feature of the extension is the ability to quickly run all the tests that exist in our project. Within the testing side panel, if we expand the tests, you can see that we have example.spec.ts that has 2 tests and we only ran one of them in our last run. To run all the tests, press the double play icon present at the top of the test explorer. And of course, these tests will run very fast, and once they complete, you can see that there is a green check mark next to all the tests that Playwright has identified. The Playwright extension automatically picks up the projects that we have configured in our Playwright config and allows you to pick them as VS Code test profiles. If you look at our playwright.config.ts, you can see that within the projects, we have 3 projects configured: Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit for the desktop Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Within the testing sidebar provided by Playwright, if we click the drop-down next to the double arrows, you can see that these 3 have been added as test profiles for Visual Studio Code. The default profile is the first one, which is Chromium in our case, but we can modify the default profile by selecting that option and selecting something else. For example, let's run all our tests through WebKit alone. By default, the tests have been running in headless mode, but we can change that by selecting the option Show Browser. Now, if we run all the tests, they will run using WebKit, and additionally, they will be running in headed mode, so we will be able to see Safari when it launches the individual tests. Once we are done with the tests, we can close all the browsers that have been left open by Playwright by clicking the button Close All Browsers.